Welcome to PhysioCare Patient Management Software. This demo will show you through creating a home visit for a patient. Log in into the web or mobile portal of physiocarepms.com. Navigate to the treatment module. Here, you can create a treatment plan for any patient. You can also view active patients that are ongoing treatments. Access all past records as well as active home treatments. Click on Create Treatment. This form allows you to enroll a patient for the treatment. The number is auto-generated. Select a patient for which you want to create plan. If the patient is not already registered in the portal, you can create a new patient profile through the patient registration module. You can assign the treatment to a clinic member, allowing them to manage their assigned treatments in the queue. This assignment can also be changed later if needed. Fill in the treatment details. Provide all necessary information for future reference. You can also use the Auto Select Treatment feature to choose from predefined treatment modules. Select the service type. If the patient will visit the clinic, choose Clinic. If the treatment will be done at the patient's home, choose Home. Select the package type. If the patient is under a package plan, select Package. If the service is pay-per-visit, choose Regular and enter the per session charge for future reference. Use the Remarks section for any internal notes. Submit the form to create the treatment plan. The treatment plan for the patient has been successfully created. Here, you can view all relevant details, such as the patient's name and address. You will also find the treatment details, including the service type, whether it's a clinic treatment or a home visit. In the case of a package, you can see how many treatments have been completed and how many are remaining. You can also access payment information for this treatment. These details can be retrieved from the treatment module in Active Treatments card. To find home visit details, filter by the service type, Home. Select the patient, and once a treatment is completed, click on the treatment entry to update the record. Fill in the necessary details and click Submit to save the entry. You'll notice that the visit count will increase, showing the details of the first and last visits. You can see all previous records by visiting View All Treatment Records. Here you can see date-wise treatment details of a patient. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you. See you on the portal.